Hi everyone, my name is Nishay, and the type of agency where I will be completing my field placement is an agency that offers a wide array of services. They do transitional housing, addiction, mental illness, life skills, there's a whole lot more that I'm forgetting to name, but they have a lot of services. What I'm hoping to get out of this field experience as well as field seminar is I want to learn tools and techniques that I can actually use that are beneficial to me in my work with individuals. How do I expect the field experience to be different from my generalist placement? Um, my generalist placement, to be completely honest, it was not the best experience for me. I didn't get a learning experience. I felt more like an employee, and there was a lot of miscommunication and things like that. Like I had to chase down learning opportunities. And the difference with this field placement is that my field instructor, she's pretty hands on. She has me checking with her and she checks in with me periodically. And then at the end, we sort of wrap up everything that we went over for the day. And she's very busy, but she actually takes the time out to do that. And she's been in the business for about 20 years. So there's a lot of experiences and a lot of knowledge that she can share with me that I can actually use and learn from. And um, I think the biggest thing for me that makes this a difference is that I'm going to really get a great learning experience this time around. And that is pretty much it about me. I look forward to seeing you all, meeting you all, and good luck with all of your placements. We made it this far. We're almost done. Stay strong and have a great weekend.